Hey, Cub Cadet YouTubers. Well, this is how we change the back tire or rim from a Cub Cadet. I love mine. I mean, I got my 3-time snowblower. Thing is awesome. I had to buy some new tires with the rims because I needed the rims. Well, the rims from Cub Cadet were $99. I went to Tractor Supply and got the rims and the tires, same thing, for $75, new rims. Because I needed a more aggressive tire for my hills of my lawn to do the things I wanted to do. All these tools should have only needed a wrench socket because it slides right off. Well, this is the makings of my third day of trying to get the rims off. I think what Cub Cadet needs to do is make a accessory that slides over that friggin' stupid thing, so we can use a regular 4-bolted rim on there and try and freeze it or use some special stuff on it. If not, got to cut it off. Kind of sucks.